Yes, students, as we know that business has two important components. Okay, first one is a industry and another one is a commerce. Okay, so when it comes on industry, we know that industry means production of goods and services, whereas commerce is a distribution of goods and services. See, commerce consists of two important things. One is a trade and another is a aids to trade. Okay, what do we mean by trade? Trade means exchange of goods and services for value is known as trade. What I am saying? Trade is a branch of commerce where exchange of goods and services will take place, and a person who are involved in this exchange is known as trader. Okay. See, when it comes on trade, trade has two parts. One is home trade and another is foreign trade. What do we mean by home trade? When the exchange of goods and services will take place within the boundary of any nation is known as home trade. Home trade is also known as domestic trade or internal trade. Okay. See, in home trade, both buyer and sellers belongs to same country is known as home trade. Okay, home trade again has two categories. One is a wholesale trade and another is a retail trade. What do we mean by wholesale trade? See, in wholesale trade, goods and services will take place, will get purchased in a huge quantity from the producer and will get sold to the retailer. Okay, and a person who is involved in this activity is known as wholesaler. So basically what wholesaler will do? Wholesaler will purchase goods from the producer in a bulk quantity and he will sell those goods in a small quantity to the retailer. Okay, is known as wholesale trade. Okay, so wholesaler is a link between producer and retailer. Okay. Now what do we mean by retail trade? Under retail trade, a person basically who is involved in this trade, in this exchange activity is known as retailer. So what retailer will do? Retailer will purchase goods in a small quantity from wholesaler and he will sell those goods to the final consumer. So retailer is going to be the link between wholesaler and final consumer. Okay, see, when it comes on wholesale trade and retail trade, that exchange of goods and services will take place within the country only. But when it comes on wholesale trade, goods will get purchased in a huge quantity, whereas retail trade we are going to purchase goods in a small quantity. Okay, in wholesale trade, okay, there is a person who is purchasing goods on a huge quantity but not for self consumption. He is going to sell those goods to the retailer. Okay, so basically wholesaler, retailer, they are the part of the chain where the goods will transit from producer to consumer. Okay, see, this was our home trade. Okay, a trade which take place within the country is known as home trade. Now what do we mean by foreign trade? When buying and selling of goods will take place between two or more countries is known as foreign trade. Okay, here buyers and consumers are not going to belongs to same country. They belongs to different countries. That home foreign trade is also known as international trade or external trade. Okay, here two or more countries are going to participate. Okay, see, foreign trade has again three parts: export trade, imports trade and entrepot trade. What do we mean by export trade? Whenever any country is buying goods, okay, export, whenever one country is selling goods to other country, okay, that is known as export trade. For example, India export tea to UK, okay, or any food items to or spices to any other countries. That is an export trade. Import means what? Whenever one country is purchasing goods from other country for domestic use is known as import trade. What does it mean? See, example is India imports, okay, oil or petroleum from Iran, okay, or we import technology or machines from Japan. So that those are import trade, okay. Entreport trade means what? Whenever goods are getting imported with an intention to export it to other country. What does it mean? We are purchasing goods from one country but not for domestic use. We want to sell it to other countries, okay, and to make a profit out of it. Such trade is known as entrepot trade. So basically when it comes on entrepot trade, one country is going to act as a mediator between two countries, okay. For example, अगर आपको पता होगा जापान एंड यूएस दे डोंट ट्रांजैक्ट विथ ईच अदर डायरेक्टली. सो व्हाट इंडिया डज? इंडिया परचेस मेडिसिन्स from Japan and export it to America, okay. So that is known as entrepot trade, or we can say that re-export trade, okay. So these were the types of foreign trade. See, again would like to revise. Trade means exchange of goods and services for value is known as trade. Trade has two parts, home trade and foreign trade. Home trade means what? See, the trade which takes place within the boundary of any nation is known as home trade. Home trade is also known as domestic trade or internal trade. Home trade again have two types, wholesale trade and retail trade. In wholesale trade, wholesaler is going to purchase goods in a bulk from the producer and he will sell goods to the retailer in a small quantities, okay. Wholesaler is a link between producer and retailer. In retail trade, a trader going to purchase goods in a small quantities from the wholesaler and he will sell those goods ultimate consumer. That is known as a retail trade. Foreign trade means what? When a trade takes place between two or more countries known as foreign trade, okay. See, foreign trade is also known as international trade or external trade. Foreign trade has three parts: export, imports and entrepot. Buying and selling of goods to other country is known as export trade. Here I gave you the example of India exports tea to UK. Imports, when purchase of goods and services from other countries for domestic use, is known as import trade. For example, India imports petroleum from Iran. Entrepot trade is a trade when goods are import take place with an intention to export it to other countries. That is known as entrepot trade. See, entrepot trade is also known as re-export trade, okay. So these were the parts of, or these were the types of trade, and in the next class we are going to learn about aids to trade, okay. So see you, tada.